Hi, my name is Casey Neal. I'm with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration. I'm actually here doing a repair test for a Mr. John Logan at 652 Wisteria Way, Gardendale, Alabama 35071. Once I get this video done, I'll kind of show you. I got it all marked up right here. But anyway, I've also got this shingle specifically right here marked as the architectural shingle. Got one above it and above it that I'm gonna have to pry up, of course, in order to get the nails out for this repair. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get up under here a little bit already. You just have to bear with me. There we go. And by the way, I've got my putty knife, which is usually recommended by most insurance companies when doing these repair tests, to pull up the shingles. Come on, there you go, try to be gentle. Oh. Oh my goodness, the adhesive is on there good. Come on, try to be gentle. And I know that a lot of times insurance companies, they require that in order to make sure that a repair test is done correctly without damaging too much, you want to make sure you don't bring the shingle up above a certain degree. That's what I'm trying to make sure I don't do right now, but this shingle's being a butt just to get up. All right, so it ain't coming up so easy. The adhesive is actually not allowing it. I'm gonna start from this side. It's actually kind of, there we go, tore up part of the shingle right there as I was trying to pull it up. There we go. Here we are. Maybe I can get it up there. All right, got that one. Got to do the one above it and the one above it. Alright, so already I'm having difficulty. It's not exactly the easiest thing to pull these up without destroying the shingle itself. Remember, I'm just trying to separate the adhesive. Let me start down in this end like I did the other one. There we go. I think there might have been some zippering going on over here. That's why it's easier to catch on the left side. All right. There you go. Oh, come on. Come. There. All right. There's that one. One more, and we'll go ahead and get this going. Well, that one came up real easy. Look at that. Like nothing. All right. Next step. Let's go ahead and pull the shingle that I marked out. Got my pry bar. Just gonna get up under here real easy. Try not to tear anything up, find the nails, and pull it out. Just bear with me. I'll have to get a little further one more time. Hold on. Let's see if I can find those nails. Give me 1 second. Oh. Where in the world? Looks like, where the heck are y'all? Oh, come on. Okay. I see something right there. There we go. I put the nails in an odd spot, for sure. There we go. Just like not exactly laid out evenly. The way that this was installed, they put the nails kind of all over it. All right. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a repair test that I'm actually doing for one of my coworkers because he had to go to the Carolinas to help with the disaster relief. So this is my first time seeing this roof, and just on initial thought, looking at it, I can already tell you right now, it's not going to be the easiest thing to repair. I mean, I don't know how old this roof is, but it certainly ain't brand new. It's got a lot of hail damage all over it. It's just a pitiful looking roof, honestly. Okay. The granules are coming off more and more as I pull this up. Let me get, there's got to be one more. Let me see. There you are. That's the one I couldn't find earlier. See, it just ran right through the shingle right there. I literally had to just popped up. All right, let's get to the next one. Come on, where you at? There's one. Here we go. What in the world? Alright, well, I only need this one. I mean, whoever installed this previously, looked like they overnailed the crap out of it. I'm surprised these shingles are even holding on. I barely touched these, and they're already like dug up under the shingles. They've clearly been overnailed. But they've held on. So come on. Come on. Don't lift too high. Just trying to get it. Oh.